Okay guys, hotel review time. Today we're in Chengdu, China, and this is the Celebrity City Hotel. This is considered a 5-star hotel on Agoda. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description so you can get more information or check out the prices on your dates if you're interested. This was included in a tour package I was on, so I don't know how much I paid for this room, but on Agoda right now, I can book this room next week for $33 a night. Of course, that's before taxes, and it's the cheapest room available, but it's very, very cheap in my opinion. It's a very, very nice room, very clean, everything was brand new. It looked very, very nice. The bed was really comfortable. Here's a look at a bit of the view. In my opinion, not a lot around here, but I got here late at night and I left again at 7 o'clock in the morning. I was here for a very short time. This hotel has a 9.4 out of 10 rating on Agoda, which is really, really good in my opinion, and that's with more than 1,000 reviews. Here's the outside of the building. As you can see, quite a few buses there. One of those buses I got to spend a week on. That's too much time on a bus, let me tell you. But beautiful building, pretty reasonable neighborhood. Nice and clean. China is insanely clean. And I was very, very impressed with all the hotels I stayed at. This was the first one. Now let's go inside and have a look around. You just wait. It's really, really nice. My tour package had this listed as a 4-star hotel, but on Agoda, it's listed as 5-star. There's no swimming pool here, so maybe that's why it's probably a 4-star. But look at that. How was that for an entrance? Not so bad. Not so bad, that is for sure. For less than $35 a night. Just think about that. The front desk. Breakfast. I had to check out at 7 o'clock in the morning. Breakfast starts at 7 o'clock in the morning. There was some food available. I got to eat, but there was a lot of empty trays. There was a lot more food coming. Even then, what food I got was very good, and everybody that was eating when I was eating all seemed satisfied. But I would think if I was there an hour later, there would have been a lot more selection. Even then, pretty impressive. If you want cake for breakfast, that is. Like I said, I'll leave the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out. This is a very nice hotel. I was quite impressed, that is for sure. Alright guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you on the next one. As you can see, still a lot of empty spots. The food is going to improve. But the time was not on my side. Most people were eating noodle soup, which of course, very popular breakfast item in China.